how to sell ebook using System.io, and how to deliver the product to your buyers or to your customers. So in this video, I will show you the process on how to do that. To get started, so dapat meron ka ng System.io account, okay? And even if you are in the free account ng System.io, ay pwede mo pa din gawin ito. Pwede ka pa din magsimula ng iyong ebook business. Step number 2 is that you need to have a people account that is integrated to your System.io account. I will link down below yung procedure and how you can integrate your people account in System.io. And next, kung meron ka ng System.io, and then if meron ka ng people account integrated to System.io, then the third step is gagawa ka na ngayon ng sales funnel for your ebook. So to do that, punta na tayo sa ating System.io account and I will walk you through. Alright, andito na tayo ngayon sa ating System.io account. So ang gagawin mo ay magpunta ka lang dito sa websites and then sales funnels. Under sales funnels, i-click mo lang po itong create button. And then, under create funnel, lagyan mo po ng pangalan ng inyong funnel. For example, ebook. And then, funnel domain, you need to choose yung funnel domain. So, kung wala ka pang custom domain na naka-integrate kay System.io, sa ngayon ay naka-default po yan, no, na System.io funnel domain yung gamit mo. Well, that's okay. Piliin mo lang po yan and nothing to change kung wala pang custom domain na naka-integrate sa account mo. So, since sa akin kasi may custom domain ako, kaya pipiliin ko yung custom domain ko. And then, for the choose your funnel goal, sa funnel goal natin, since magbebenta na po tayo ng digital products, ang pipiliin po natin na funnel goal is sell a product or a service. And then, choose a currency para dun sa binibenta mong digital products. You can choose a lot here, US dollar or another currency na gusto mong gamitin. But for this time, I will choose Philippine Peso kasi yung target audience ko naman ay mga Filipino. And then after that, don't forget to click the save button. So kapag na-click mo na yung save button, yung ginawa mo na funnel ay makikita mo na siya dito sa yung funnel list. Okay? So sa mga free account kay System.io, you will only have 3 funnels, no? Na pwede mong gawin or pwede mong i-create sa yung account. This time kasi ay wala na po ako sa free account. So, ayan, madami na akong funnels na pwedeng gawin. But for you, if you are in the free account, limited lang po sa 3. So, make it sure na hindi pa na-consume yung 3 funnels na yun, okay? Tapos, yung recent funnels na ginawa mo ay makikita mo siya sa pinaka-top na yung funnel list. So, i-click mo lang po yun under name. Tapos, just click that one para mag-open siya dun sa dashboard niya or sa parang settings ng funnel na yon. So, dito may makikita ka pang mga forms and as you can see dito sa left side, may makikita ka dito na funnel step. Yes, funnel step po yung tawag dito sa left side. Ito po yung step-by-step or sequence ng pages mo sa iyong funnels. Please take note kapag sinasabi ko po na funnel, it consists of sequence of pages, magkasunod-sunod na mga pages. And makikita nyo po dito na dalawa lang po yung andito na dalawang page, which is yung order form and then the thank you page. So, pwede naman po na dalawang sequence of pages yung sa sales page ng ebook mo. Ang gagawin mo is dito sa order form, ay dito ka na din gagawa ng copy or yung sales copy for the ebook. And then sa pinakababa ay yun na po yung order form. Pwede po yun. Kung ayaw mo naman ng ganung setup, gusto mong i-separate yung copy ng yung sales page and then another page for the order form and then another page for the thank you page, ay pwede po yun. So since dalawa lang po yung pages na nandito, ang kailangan mong gawin is to add a page. So i-click mo lang itong add step and then name your first page or yung offer page. For example, ebook paid. Tapos type, choose a type, punta ka dito sa sales. Okay? Make it sure na sa sales ka and then choose sales page. And then you can have an option kung gagamit ka ba ng templates or mag-start ka from scratch. For this video, I will choose a template guys and then I will click the save button. And then mapapansin niyo po dito sa ating funnel step, may 3 pages na po and then yung pinaka-offer page natin is nasa pinaka-third step. So, supposed to be ando siya sa first step. Ang gagawin natin is i-drag lang natin ito siya and then drop natin dito sa pinaka first. Okay? And then dito guys, makikita nyo po yung mga template na pwede mong piliin. Okay? And i-click mo lang po itong select if you want. Make sure na dito ka sa sales page, no? Click that one, select. And then after that, kapag nakapili ka na ng template for your offer page is, ang next step na gagawin mo is to edit it. Click mo lang itong edit page. But on this video guys, I will not show you on how to create a design. Kasi gusto ko mas mag-focus tayo doon sa step niya and then sa mga sequence ng pages mo. Marami na ako mga video tutorial here on my YouTube channel on how you can create design and how you can navigate yung mga elements dito sa left side and how you can customize the canvas. So you can check it out, and for now I will just share with you kung ano yung mga elements or mga sections na dapat na present dun sa sales page ng inyong ebook. So this is the sales page of my playbook. So this is my current digital products. So I will just view funnel step and i-share ko sa iyo kung ano man yung dapat na present na mga elements or mga section. So, ang pinaka first section is yung hero section. This is the most important section sa sales page mo. Kasi ito yung pinaka first section na makikita na inyong buyers. So, you need to have a pre-headline. So, dito mo i-call out kung sino man yung target audience mo and then ano yung problems or pain points nila. The next element is the header. So, this is the most important guys kasi ito yung magka-capture ng attention ng iyong target audience. And then the subheader, and then the CTA, and then yung mock-up image mo ng yung digital products. Mas mahalaga na meron kang mock-up image for that. And another thing is, kung meron kang video, much better. If wala, you can use mock-up. On the second section is that yung pain points na yung target audience. And then the next section is the solution. Ano ba yung mga solution na nandun sa in-offer mo na ebook. And then here is the benefits. You can share the benefits of your ebook. And then you introduce the ebook. Ano yung makukuha nila inside the ebook. And then the next section is bonus. Mas maganda if you have bonus products that will complement doon sa in-offer mo na ebook. So, sa akin ay meron akong like 4 na bonuses here. Actually, hindi pa po ito tapos ha. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga nilalagay ko na mga section for the sales page ng aking ebook. And then the pricing. So, you will have total value, magkano yung regular price, and then yung limited offer mo, and then CTA, last call to action. And then next section is the money back guarantee. It can be like 30 days or 15 days. So, depende na yan sa inyo. Pero ako kasi mostly 30 days talaga. And then, here another call to action and the FAQ. So guys, this is not the perfect or the standard na ebook sales page copy on the internet, no? Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga importance, kumbaga, ng mga section na dapat na present sa sales page mo. So if you want to have a template or layout for the ebook, so punta ka lang po dito sa Pinterest. And then sa pinterest.com, punta ka dito sa search. And then you can search here, ebook sales page. Dito guys, you will see a lot of layout, a lot of template that you can model. You can model guys, hindi talaga yung Xerox copy, kung ano yung nandito. I-model mo lang po kung paano nila nililayout yung ebook nila. And ano yung structure ng pagkasunod-sunod ng copy nila. So, here you go. Madami po yan guys. Mamili ka lang po kung ano yung mas preferred mo na template. Just like this one. So, ito yung pinaka-tip ko sa inyo na mamili ka lang ng preferred design, preferred template, and preferred layout for your ebook sales page. By the way, if you want to learn on how to convert your leads into instant buyer, I have a playbook that is the System.io Tripwire Funnel Playbook, and andun po yung 7-step doon on how you can do that. For more details about the playbook, just check the description of this video or in the comment section. So once done, pag nagawa mo na yung sales page mo or yung offer page mo, ang next step natin is yung order form. Dito sa order form ay dapat meron ka ng PayPal account na naka-integrate kay System.io, no? If you want na magkaroon ng automation yung sa pag-sell or sa pag-deliver ng ebook mo to your customers. And as you can see dito sa offer type is dapat piliin mo yung digital product kasi digital product naman po siya. So under digital products, dito po tayo maglalagay ng price plans and resources a customer can access after they purchase. I-click mo lang po itong plus sign na button. And then, under digital product name, lagyan mo siya ng product name, ebook paid. And then, for the resources, how they can get or saan resources ba magagaling ito, i-click mo lang po itong plus sign na button. And then, select resources. So, dito you have 4 choices of resources. For example, courses. Courses yung pipiliin mo. If you have a course, dito sa asset, ayan, and then courses, kung may ginawa kang course, yun po yung pipiliin mo. Courses, bundles, tags, and communities. Pero kung hindi ka naman nag-create ng course for your ebook, kasi gusto mo, ebook lang yung ibenta, walang video course. Ang advice ko dyan ay piliin mo itong tags. Choose tag, okay? So, bago mo mapili yung choose tag, dapat dito sa CRM under tags ay gagawa ka muna ng tags for the buyer ng ebook mo. And dito sa akin guys, I have like 6 tags, no? And makikita nyo po dito, I have a tag for playbook buyer. So, at your end, you need to create a tag for the buyer, guys. So, ayun, pag may tag ka na, piliin mo lang yung choose tag dito. Hanapin mo siya. For example, this one. Okay? And then, after that, ay ilagay mo na yung price plans. Dito sa price plans, if hindi ka pa naka-create, i-click mo lang itong create a new one. And then, maglagay ka ng price plan name displayed on the order form. And then, displayed on your dashboard. And then, statement descriptor. And then, price plan type. So, here ay meron kang like one-time payment, subscription payment plan. For the ebook guys, mostly talaga niyan ay one-time payment lang po yung ebook natin. Tapos, how much? Magkano yung babayaran ni customer? For example, 297. And then, click save. Okay? So, since ako kasi meron na po akong ginawang price plan for this ebook, i-click ko lang itong plus sign button and then one-time payment. And then, I will choose here sa existing price plan. Hanapin ko yung for the playbook. This one. And makikita nyo po yung details dito. System.io Tripwire Funnel Playbook. So, TF Playbook and then one-time payment and then the price. And then, click mo na itong save button. Another one, click ulit yung save button. Next is maglagay na tayo ng automation rules. I-click mo lang itong automation rules. And then scroll down, add rule tayo guys. By the way, yung automation rules natin is dapat na sa order form hindi po yung sa offer page. Sa order form po tayo maglalagay ng automation rules. So click na natin yung add rule. And for that trigger, i-choose natin ang new sale. And then, piliin natin yung funnel, kung ano yung funnel ng paid ebook natin. And then, yung final step is order form. So, action, do this. I-click natin itong plus sign button. Add natin siya sa add tag. Piliin natin yung tag for our buyer ng ebook. Okay? And then, click save rule. Pero kung may campaign ka po for the buyer ng ebook mo, i-click mo lang ulit ito and then punta ka dito sa action. I-subscribe mo siya sa campaign if you have a campaign. Okay? Pero kung wala ka namang campaign, so this is another way on how the buyer or the customer can get an access to your ebook is mag-send ka ng email. Send email. So, kung wala ka pa nagawa na email for this, i-click mo itong plus sign button and then click that one to create an email message. So, dito sa email mo, pwede mong lagyan here is the ebook. Click here to get access. Hi. Tapos yung first name. Thank you for buying ebook name. Tapos here is the link to download the ebook. So, ganun guys. Kayo na po bahala maglagay ng email dito or instruction for the buyer on how they can get access to the ebook. Ito yung gamitin mo na instruction if the ebook is in-upload mo siya sa G Drive, tapos kunin mo yung G Drive, tapos kunin mo yung link ng ebook sa G Drive mo. So the ebook should be PDF, okay? Para hindi nila ma-edit yung content nun. It should be a PDF file and then isi-save mo siya or i-upload mo siya sa yung G Drive. And then after that, kapag na-upload na, ay kunin mo po yung link mismo ng PDF na yon. Make it naka-public po yung access, hindi po yung naka-private. Para once na ma-receive nila ang email na ito and then may link ka nilagay dito, ay automatic na magkaroon sila ng access doon. So, pagkakuha mo ng link doon sa PDF file mo inside your G Drive, i-click mo lang itong link na ito and then i-paste mo yung URL dito. Okay? And then click check. Kasi once i-click na nila ito, they will be redirected to that PDF file. And another way naman is that kung ayaw mo ng ganito na strategy, is that you can upload attachment. So dito, add an attachment. So i-click mo po yan. And then hanapin mo po yung PDF file ng ebook mo. For example, this one, tapos open, and then uploaded na siya. So once na ma-receive nila ito, ay naka-attach na po mismo yung ebook file sa email na ito. Okay, ikaw na po yung bahala na magsulat ng copy sa email mo. And then once done, click mo lang itong save button. Okay, so we are done with the order form. And na-set up na natin yung automation rules. So every time na may bibili, ay matatag siya sa tag natin na buyer ng ebook natin. And then he or she will receive an email from us kung paano nila ma-download yung ebook. Okay? So, after that, once okay ka na sa order form, ay dito naman tayo sa thank you page. On the thank you page, guys, you can use template or you can build from scratch din naman. So, dito, I will just click here, edit page. May nagawa na kasi ako na design dito. So, template lang po yung gamit ko here. As you can see here, thanks. And I'm there to design, invest in your skills and take your digital business to, guys. Hindi copywriting. Digital business to the next level. You will receive an email shortly with instructions on how to access the it should be the ebook ayan na lang. Tapos the meantime, feel free to explore my website and then meron kang buttons dito na pwede sila mag-join sa yung Facebook community if you have, or they can contact you. Another thing is that you can add a button here. For example, button. Maglagay ka ng another instruction dito. Click here to download the ebook. This is another way on how they can access agad-agad yung ebook mo the moment na nakapagbayad na sila sa iyo through PayPal. So, ayan, maglagay ka lang ng button dito, tapos, and then when button is clicked, just choose open URL, and then i-paste mo po dito yung URL na yung G Drive. Diba sabi ko kanina, if may PDF ka na in-upload mo sa yung G Drive, kunin mo yung link, and then ito na po yung ilagay mo dito. So, another thing is you can choose download file. Okay? Kung ayaw mo namang mag-upload sa G Drive, you just simply upload the PDF file dito. Choose upload. And then piliin mo yung PDF file. This one. That one. Click insert. And here you go. Ayun, once na i-click nila yung button na ito, ay madadownload po nila yung file na yun. Ipakita ko sa inyo. So, save natin. And then I will preview this one. Okay, so ayan, maglagay ka lang ng additional instructions dito on how they can download the ebook. Once i-click nila itong download button, here you go. Ayan na yung ebook nila, guys. Okay, so those are the different ways on how you can deliver the ebook to your customer. So again, number 1, via the email, yung sa automation. Another thing is dito sa ating thank you page, no, the moment na ma-access or after they pay, doon sa order page natin ay madirect sila sa ating thank you page. So may button tayo dito na nilagay. It's either we will direct them to the link ng ating G Drive or i-upload natin mismo dito kay system.io yung PDF file natin. And what if Miss Rose, I don't have a PayPal account or the buyer don't have a PayPal account? Ano yung gagawin ko? So, dito sa order form mo, i-click mo lang itong edit page. 'Di ba may order form ako dito for the PayPal transaction sa mga tao na magbabayad ng PayPal. And another thing is, pwede kang maglagay ng another instructions here. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can pay using the following payment method. So, manual po ang process na ito. Ang gagawin mo is that you can add your GCash account here or GCash details or bank details on how they can pay you. And then another instruction kung paano nila masisend sa'yo yung resibo or a proof of payment na nagbayad sila or bumili nga sila ng digital products mo. It's either they can email you or they can send you via your messenger or sa Instagram mo. So, kung manual po yung pinili nila sa pagbayad sa'yo, no? Now, the question is, paano naman nila ma-access yung ebook ko kung manual po yung payment nila? So, ang gagawin mo, kapag na-verify mo na yung payment nila, kunin mo lang yung link ng thank you page. Tapos, kunin mo yung link na to, copy this one, at ito na po yung ibigay mo sa customer mo. Bigyan mo lang siya ng instruction, open this link or click this link kasi andyan yung button or may instruction on how you can download the ebook. Another questions na na-receive ko is, paano ba mag-drive ng traffic sa funnel ko? It's a good question naman guys kasi kapag funnel lang yung ginawa mo, hindi po yan mag-auto-convert kung walang traffic. So you need to create traffic, you need to show up on social media and share your links, share your ebook. So, kunin mo po ang link na ito, click mo lang itong link na ito, and then kapag may link ka na, you can share your ebook to your social media accounts. Pero wag po mag-spam, wag po yung share lang na kung share. You need to create content. You need to have valuable content para yung mga tao is magtiwala sa'yo and then bibili ng ebook mo. Getting traffic is hindi po siya madali, no? And of course, if you have the budget, you can run Facebook ads, okay? Pero running Facebook ads doesn't guarantee you na makabenta ka kaagad. And also, if walang budget, then I prefer you do organic, just like what I did. I create mga valuable na mga posts, na mga content sa aking social media accounts, especially here on YouTube, to build my authority and also to build trust sa mga audience ko. So, ayun guys, it doesn't end here yung business mo. It doesn't mean na kung may sales page ka na for the ebook, ay tapos na yung trabaho mo. So, continuous na po yung learning, lalo na pagdating sa getting traffic to your business. So far, those are the different ways that I can share with you on how you can sell an ebook to System.io and how you can deliver it to your customers, guys. And if you have questions, if you have clarifications about this, mag-comment lang po below and sasagutin ko po sa abot ng aking makakaya. Alright, if you get value from this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below if you have questions. If you get value from this video, don't forget to check the playbook, yung pinakita ko kanina, if you want to convert your leads into instant buyer. So guys, if you get value from this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and leave a comment below. And also, if you are interested about the System.io Tripwire Funnel Playbook, then you can get the details by checking the description and in the comment section for the link.